Hey guys, so today we are going to be reviewing Carol's Daughters. I have 3 of their products here that was sent to me free. I will be making another video explaining how I got my free products. No charges. You don't have to put in your credit cards. You don't have to do anything. They literally send this to you and all you have to do is make a review about it. I have their Intense Repair Cream, their Repairing Conditioner, and I also have their Repairing Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Now, before I get into it, please like, comment, and subscribe. First, I am just going to talk about how I got this package. I got this in this box. It was nicely packaged. So I've noticed with like Garnier and the OGX, when you open it, it wasn't sealed and there was nothing covering it. So honestly, all jokes aside, as much as I love these products and I use them religiously, someone could slip something into them in the stores and I wouldn't know. That's why you see so many scandals with people putting air in it and I won't know. I liked with these products was the fact that it was sealed from head to toe. So if somebody had opened it, I would have seen. Not only that, when I originally opened this was also sealed and I really like them. My curls are chemically treated, so that's one. So it's extremely damaged. It sucks. And so I'm trying here. The only thing is, when I received this package, there wasn't a leave-in conditioner, so I did put in, after I washed everything out, I put in my Garnier and OGX as I normally do. I noticed that my hair does feel a little more smooth. I don't think it's a big change to how it usually feels. I normally use the Garnier conditioner and I use the Garnier shampoo as well. The shampoo, it was okay. I didn't think it was anything special. I really liked it. It made my hair smell great, but I suffer from extreme dandruff. I really like how it was packaged. It was so cute. It's like you squeeze it out. I broke it by accident because I didn't know. But besides that, it was really cute and I know now for next time, obviously. Oh my god. Anyways, I don't think that this is what's best for me. Personally, I think, yeah. Second of all, it was a repairing conditioner and the intense repair. For these two, I was a little confused. Put in the repairing conditioner. I put this in. I detangled my hair as normal. My hair smells great once again. This literally smells as if I'm like walking on a beach. It's amazing. It's like that little Khloe Kardashian meme where she's like, I can't eat it, but how amazing is it to smell it?
I can't eat 8 dozen donuts.
The smell.
They do smell pretty good.
I know.
Okay, so yeah, it was pretty good. It was nothing extraordinary, as I can tell. Oh no, this was really good. Like, a 10 out of 10 recommend this. Like, I would honestly buy this again. And I'm planning on buying it again. I believe that they have a leave-in conditioner, so if they do, I'm gonna go check that out and I'm gonna go buy it so I can review that as well. Then there was the Intense Repair Cream. Now, I love these 2 products and I honestly would buy this again. My only issue with the shampoo was that, I like something that targets my dandruff, and so this isn't really my go-to. But this I will definitely buy again. And I didn't really notice a difference with this. Like, my hair honestly felt the same and I felt like this works just fine. Maybe if I use it again, it'll make a bigger difference and I'll let you guys know about that. But as of right now, it didn't make a difference. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. This was a really short video, but I feel like the reason why it was such a short video is because I'm not a curl expert. Like, if I could look at these ingredients right now and tell you like, oh, this is toxic for your hair, this is toxic for your hair, I would tell you, but I can't. I don't know anything about my hair. I'm honestly so lazy when it comes to my hair. Like, I don't even know how I have curly hair. I stick to the basics, If someone tells me I really recommend this for curly hair, I'm gonna try it. If my curls look great, then I'm gonna use it. That's it. So, like I said, my curls look great. They feel fluffy. They feel bouncy. As far as I can tell, it is not frizzy. It did not leave my hair dry whatsoever. My hair honestly felt great. Like, even if I had not put in the Garnier and the OGX, it would have honestly still felt great. I am also planning on dyeing my hair again soon, so if and when I do that, I really hope that these products do come in handy, and I will be trying the Intense Repair Cream and maybe making a video separately on that afterwards. I followed the directions step by step. I didn't do any more, any less. If they said to put it in for a minimum of a minute, then that's exactly what I did, which is what I would leave. I did for the conditioner, and then for the repairing cream, it was for about 5 to 10 minutes, and that's exactly what I did. I put in my timer and I waited. I tried my best. I am not an expert. I'm not a beauty guru. I don't even know if I said that right. I'm just giving you my honest opinion, and my curls feel great. I will be doing my research maybe. I really recommend it, and the fact that I got it for free just makes it 10 times better, because now I know about it. Now I'm going to be shopping for it. So like I said, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe as I said before. Thank you.